Hello, my name is Evelyn and I work at the Skills Builder Partnership. I'm here to tell you a little bit today about 8 essential skills and how you can go about showing them and talking about them to make you really employable. Now, Skills Builder Partnership work with lots and lots of schools and colleges across the country. We work with employers and other organisations as well. We have programs for schools and colleges, and we have lots of online resources. So there's a whole lot for you to get stuck into if you're interested. And we exist really because young people, students, and those at university and in the world of employment, teachers and the employers themselves all agree that there are a set of skills that are really crucial in the world of work. But it's these same skills that are actually really useful in the classroom too. And so they can go by lots of different names. You might have heard talk about life skills or basic skills or foundational skills or employability skills. And really, we're all talking about the same set of skills. It's the ability to communicate effectively and work with other people and solve problems and stick at things that you might find a little bit difficult. Now, you've got these basic or fundamental skills to being really successful, both at school, college, or the world of work. Things like literacy and numeracy and to use a computer. And then if you work in a specific industry or you're interested in jobs in a certain area, there might be technical skills that come along with that. I'm sure you'll hear lots from people who have very specific technical skills that are really helpful in their line of work. But in the middle are a set of essential skills. Now, they might be employability skills or transferable skills, but they're really important and it doesn't matter which job you are doing. We've defined these 8 skills as listening and speaking, problem solving and creativity, staying positive, aiming high, leadership, and teamwork. And we're all teachers. And so what we want to do is help young people build these skills and talk about them. Teamwork can be quite difficult to describe. And so we started off by thinking about a definition. And now we know these skills are really important and they can help you in all these different areas, whether it's your career satisfaction, how much you attain at school in terms of your qualifications, your broader well-being. These skills are really, really important. And so if we think about one in particular, like teamwork, and we try to define it as being able to work cooperatively with others, we all know that's what teamwork means. But what do you look like if you're really good at teamwork? And how do you get better? To think about this, maybe we need to think about some of the more simple bits of teamwork, like taking turns, and get more and more complicated with how we're thinking about teamwork around resolving conflict and reflecting on how well you are at working in a team. And so this is what we've done at Skills Builder Partnership, and we've created a framework. Now, we work with a bunch of other organisations to do this, and the framework breaks down these big, fluffy concepts like staying positive and teamwork into really specific steps. And these steps help you not only learn these skills, but talk about them at interview or with potential employers. So for example, step 0 of listening is I can listen without interrupting. Now, there will be grown-ups that struggle with this. There will be young people that struggle with this, but either way, it really is the fundamental building block of being a good listener. And as you go up the framework, the steps become more complicated. Now, you can download this and have a look for yourself, or there is an interactive online version. And this little video here is going to show you what that looks like. For every step, for every skill, there is a place you can go to build it yourself. You can click one of these little buttons on the side. I'm going to go there now. And you can see there's a whole host of information about what does this step of this skill mean, how do I go about building it, and this will give you the language to talk about your skills. And you can click here, and instead of looking at educators or organisations, you can click on the bit called individuals and find the resources to build your own skills. Ultimately, we want you to build the essential skills that will make you successful, whether you're at school, college, or in the world of work. And the Universal Framework breaks these big skills down into teachable and learnable steps. Now, if you're a teacher and you're interested in how you can get involved, there's 3 different ways, and you can go to the website to find out. And if you want to build your own skills, you should definitely check out the Universal Framework. Thanks. Bye.